Yeah. Alright, what's up YouTube? I'm the Spookster on the way to the Shark Club. Stephanie has got everything for the charity ride that doesn't fit on the bike in her car. She's on the way there. We're headed up to set up for registration. Gotta set up a booth. We got coffee and donuts for a shit ton of people. Here we go. No turning back now. The weather looks awful. The weather looks like it's gonna be so bad, but hopefully it's gonna push back a little bit. That's all we can hope for. Otherwise, I brought rain gear. Yeah, dude, check it out. It's pretty freaking sweet. I like it too. Damn, dude. Sick bike. I could tell that's what that guy was thinking. Baby shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Baby shark, doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Alright, we are pulling out. The weather looks inclement. We don't have that big of a group. But here we go. Turn on your Sena.
You guys are adorable.
Good. There you are.
There you are.
Thank you so much, officer. That's so cool. That's awesome. It's cool to see red and flashing blue lights and know it's not you're in trouble. I'm having Sena issues. All I'm getting is like garbled junk because we're on like mesh public mode, and I don't know why, but that's not really working too good. So no Sena for this ride, I guess, which sucks. It sucks ass. The ride seems to be going good so far. Haven't hit any rain yet. Find some wood to knock on. I ain't got no wood on my bike. Thank you very much. That's honestly awesome. I want to thank the Waterford Police Department and the White Lake Police Department and the Holly Police Department. They've all agreed to direct traffic for us like that, and that's just like an absolutely huge concern out of the way. So that's awesome, and it's at all the places it needs to be. It's at the busy intersections, and it's at most of our turns. I definitely want to thank our local law enforcement for doing that for us. Thank you. I'd like to give a special shout out to my buddy Jeff. Jeff is on the front. He's the captain of this ride. He actually drew the route for the ride. He's been great. That's another huge weight off my shoulders, was having a partner in that. And Jeff's leading, and Steve is co-pilot with Sarah up there. Steve just bought an FXR, but he's getting some work done to it already. So thank you to Steve's neighbor for loaning him your Heritage Softail, man. That thing's a really cool bike, and I don't know if I'd let somebody else ride my Heritage Softail if I had one. I'm getting the first raindrops on my visor, but they're very, very far and few between. We'll see how bad this weather gets, but I prepped. I got the rain suit on, and by rain suit I mean jogging pants over top of my jeans, and I've got my Gore-Tex style all-weather jacket. I guess we'll see how effective it is. I normally don't ride in the rain. You can call me a pussy all you want, but if I can avoid it, I don't, because it sucks. It's real whack. I love these back roads so much. These twisties are gorgeous. They're not too challenging where you got to ride up on your gas tank, and it's a real relaxed ride. It's nice. Jeff did a really good job designing this route, and I could see us using this route again for, you know, if we do this ride again next year, other rides we do. It's the right length because the Sportsters don't have to pull over to refill. It's through a gorgeous part of northern Oakland County, and I'm not sure if Holly's in Genesee County, but you know, we're about 45 minutes, maybe right now we're about an hour north of the city of Detroit. Like, we're an hour north of downtown. Yeah, it's just gorgeous out here. As you can see, not a ton of traffic once we get off that busy highway. The two. You alright there, guy? What do you, oh, you got a fiddle faddle with your headphones. Those are actually the bars on AJ's bike that I originally threw on this bike. And he's got taller risers, and he actually has the risers flipped around. They look good on that. It's not what I wanted. I ended up getting what I wanted. Sold those to him. We have made it to Holly. Holly is our halfway point, so we're doing good. Haven't really got rained on. I feel like I put all this on for nothing, but of course if I hadn't worn it, then I'd be soaked right now, right? So maybe that was a good thing. We all commented AJ got his bike out and washed it yesterday, and we're like, way to go, idiot, now it's gonna rain. You know, Murphy's Law, is that what it is? Whatever the worst possible outcome is and such. We turned around off of Holly Road onto Dixie Highway, and we're headed back south now. It's basically a straight shot with 2 right turns left, and then a left into Sharks Club. We've gotten really lucky with the weather. Unfortunately, we got kind of a small turnout, and I'm going to credit that to a couple of things. One being that this is the first year of this ride. You know, maybe parts of my promotion worked, and maybe parts of what I chose to do for promotion didn't work. And maybe I'll rethink that for the next thing. But, you know, the weather, I think, was a big factor. You know, I have people that I know for a fact were coming. I don't know how AJ keeps his hat on. Hopefully this weather keeps holding out. You know, I've got a couple sprinkles on my visor, but that's been it so far. I wonder if this is where, this is Baldwin Road, not actually Baldwin Road? I don't know. This might be where the Blessing of the Bikes was yesterday. Last week? I don't know. I don't really go to Blessing of the Bikes. I'm a godless heathen. Yeah, we're getting like a very, very, very light drizzle. Definitely tolerable. Hopefully it stays like that, or, you know, less. I'm prepared for more, but damn, I hate riding in the rain. I really, really do. That's the thing about putting something like this on. It's a crapshoot, you know. You gotta announce your date ahead of time, or, you know, no one knows when to show up. And how do you promote ahead of time if you don't have a date and a place and a plan? And part of the crapshoot of doing this is that the weather could ruin it for you. You know what else could ruin it for you? Slayer. Slayer's playing at DTE right now. Well, not right now, but today, which is a concert venue. And around here, we're actually going like directly around it. And I had a bunch of people, oh, I'd come out, man, put the Slayer show. Let me tell you something about the Slayer show. I've seen Slayer probably 6 times. It's the same show every goddamn time. This is a fun, exciting new experience. This is definitely the biggest group I've ever ridden. I'm very grateful for every rider that showed up and donated to our charity. There were some people that showed up and paid a rider fee and didn't ride. They just really wanted to support. They believed in the cause. They believed that I picked a very reputable and good charity to work with. They wanted to support, and I would like to thank those people too. Spooky Steph for manning the registration booth and doing a really good job. I definitely also want to thank all of our sponsors: Boomer's Bike Shop, the Shark Club, ABC Harley Davidson, 101 The Riff, Diamond Ink in Waterford, Elevate Tobacco in Waterford, AT&T in Auburn Hills, Century Lanes, 1877 Biker Law. Jason Wachter is a motorcycle attorney. If you follow, you know who to call, 1877 Biker Law. Alright, we just got rained on pretty hard for like, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. It sucked. It sucked real bad. And my plan for waterproofing myself worked from about my knees up. I know that's what everybody likes, is wet shins. You know, what are you gonna do? It's not as bad as it could have been. I'm just glad we didn't get drenched for like the whole ride. That's a win to me all day. All right, now we're getting rained on. My rainproofing idea seems to be working pretty good for me. Still not thrilled about it. AJ's in like a hoodie and a hat and sunglasses. Good luck with that. Yeah, we're at the tail end here, and we only got rained on for about 5 minutes in the middle. You know, the weather report called for like storms, like the whole time. It could be worse. Yeah. Well, I guess what a way to end this ride. In the rain, like we planned on being the whole time. I would say 10 minutes out of our hour and a half, hour 45-minute ride, we're in the rain. Again, could have been better, could have been worse, but that is it. Time for the party. The ride portion of WRF 2019, yeah, I called it WRF 2019, is over. So, oh, my jacket just pulled up water all into my waist. Hey, Rob. Thanks for making it.
Thanks for leaving early. Jerk ass.
Did you get here right after we left?
Dude, like probably a minute.
Were you calling me?
Literally a minute.
What stands up mean? That means that's when the ride leaves.
Yeah, you should have told me that.
Well, it was on the flyer. Whoa! So that is WIGSLYS Wolfpack Rides for Heroes 2019. We did the raffle, we did the band. We got rained out, man. We got rained out hard, but like
just water.
Like 15 to 20 of us went on the ride, and it's not the turnout I hoped for, but thank you to everybody who came out. Rob made it late. Rob showed up like 5 minutes after we left, but he supported and he hung out and he won, and thank you to all the sponsors for the giveaways for the raffle, and to you know, the sponsors that wrote checks. It went to flyers, it went to coffee, it went to donuts. Did you get coffee and donut, Rob?
I did.
Rob got coffee and donuts, and it's on you. Thank you so much. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell, and tune in for more. Same WIGSLY channel. That's Boomer. Like 100 yards away. On the road. Way out there. Same WIGSLY channel, same WIGSLY time, and we'll see you on the next one.